We actually brought you on here to talk about, I guess, the big tax bills that a lot of traders out there are facing. Last year, we know, was just a huge year if you were involved in risk markets here. And now a lot of people are having to sit down and, I guess, pay the piper. I hope they saved a little bit of those earnings.
That's right, Romaine. Morgan Stanley actually estimates that 2021, this year, could be the largest capital gains tax bill due. They estimate that investors are going to have to pay a total of $325 billion this year in capital gains taxes. That's a 75% increase from 2020. So really big jump in the taxes that are due right now.
Emily, I'm assuming most of these people are not millionaires. You've written that many of these are traders that are in their 20s, making thousands of dollars at a time trading stocks. So what is the reaction from these traders now that they finally, as Romaine says, have to pay the piper?
Yeah, Claire Ballantyne and I interviewed a number of retail traders, and it was interesting. A lot of them, they knew that they were going to have to pay taxes when they started trading, but they did express a little bit of frustration and a little bit of disappointment when they actually did, use TurboTax and figure out that they had to see that number, the dollar amount of taxes that they had to pay. Also interesting, a lot of traders that I spoke to actually started investing in 2020, but they didn't make any money until 2021. Think back to the GameStop surge. That was a 2021 thing. So this was actually the first year that they actually had to pay capital gains taxes.
And is it too early to tell if this starts to deter any behavior going forward?
Morgan Stanley, in a recent note, estimated that they actually project that retail traders will scale back and dial back a lot of the short-term options trading because that's what gets taxed the most. Short-term capital gains are taxed more than long-term capital gains. But it's interesting. In the traders that I spoke to, they kind of said, you know what, it is what it is. I'm a trader. This is what I do, and taxes are simply a part of it. So we'll have to wait and see whether this actually, this record capital gains bill actually makes people stop trading as much.